Here we have a 2017 BMW 420d M Sport with professional media. Now we do get to the LED headlights as well as the black Kinder Girls, full M Sport styling kit. Now the front splitter is genuine carbon fibre as well and really does look fantastic. Now the side skirt extenders are in black as well as the rear diffuser and the rear boot spoiler. We have 4 superb 19-inch alloy wheels in silver and black. We have just behind them, we do have the M Sport brake calipers. Now we do also have the window trim in black with the privacy glass and performance decals on either side there as well. Now we do get to front and rear parking sensors with dual exhaust flush to the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and really does look superb from every angle. Now if we go to the door, I'll show you a bit of the interior of this fantastic car. Now looking straight into the back, you do have the full Dakota leather throughout, as you can see just there. We have ISO fix points, we also have the pull down leather armrest, you also have your storage just in the centre there as well. Now looking in, on either side you do have your integrated Harman speakers, as well as your vents in the centre with your 12-volt connectivity and your storage behind your driver and passenger seat. I'll pop that back up, there's a quick look at the driver's full Dakota leather front seat, which is heated, electric and memory. Now on the doors you do get your electric windows with your electric power folding mirrors, as you can see just there. You also have your integrated Harman speakers there as well. Jumping inside the car and looking just down there, you do have your auto lights. Foot on the brake, you have your keyless start with a touch of a button. We have a multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode, and you also have your cruise control and speed limiter there as well. Now this vehicle has done just over 28,500 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Looking just down there, you do have your auto wipers, and on the other stalk you also have the auto high beam assist from a touch of a button just there. Now in the centre we do have your satellite navigation screen, where you can also find your media. So we do have DAB radio, FM, AM, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio and also USB. We also have your Bluetooth phone connectivity there as well. Now we do have your navigation, and again back to map. Now we do have different drive modes where we do have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and also Sports Plus, and you can also see all those sport displays there as well. So the kilowatts of power that you're currently using and your Newton meters of torque. Pop the car into reverse, you can see your front and rear parking sensors. Now that is beeping at the moment as they do have the show plates on the front, so there's nothing to worry about in there. Now coming down here you do have your dual zone climate control. Now this works exactly how you would expect it to, with ice cold aircon for those hot summer days, and for those cold winter mornings you do also have your 2 heated front seats which warm up very quickly and are very, very nice. Down here you have your USB ports as well as storage. Pop that open, you do have 2 nice size coupled to 12-volt connectivity, traction control on and off as well as your driver mode select and your parking sensors. Now this is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen. Soft touch leather armrest which moves forwards and back to suit your driving position. Now this also has storage just underneath there as well. And there's a look at the passenger's full Dakota leather front seat, again with the extended 5-sport just like the drivers. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do have competitively finance. Thank you very much for watching.